So, man, I have not posted anything of my own like vlog style related content in a long time, like 2 years. It feels like 2016 was when I was actually doing consistent-ish vlogs, and I've decided now is a good time to start back up. Okay, well, let me preface this. The reason that we haven't been posting vlogs, if you take a step over here, Colin, and swipe that camera over to this car, is because we never found a sponsor or a company to sponsor the E36 build series. I really want to put it all together, but I don't like just slapping content together and just posting it out there. I like to be able to really take my time on projects and provide quality content. And so I really wanted to have a sponsor that was willing to pay for the work that was going to be involved in hours and hours and weeks and months behind the computer putting together this build series. But despite that, recently the E30 has had, if you come back over here to this car, the E30 recently, fourth gear is given out on us, and now the car is stuck in fifth. Transmission is just having some weird issues, and we also lost compression in one of our cylinders. The same day that the transmission started to give out on us, we have found a donor car who has an E30 with an S50 already swapped into it. So that means all the wiring's been done. He already has gone through the hard work of finding the driveline, the motor mounts, the correct oil pan, the tranny mounts, everything that's needed. I'm probably missing out on or leaving out a lot, but everything that's needed to put an S50 into an E30 has already been done. So we're gonna take the totaled E30, which is gonna be arriving here in 1 hour, and we're gonna park it right here, and we're gonna pull out the powertrain from my E30, set it down and squeeze it in between the two cars. Here is gonna be the car where we pull out the S50 powertrain and wiring and swap it right into there. So hopefully we get some good documentation of this for you guys. I know I've neglected all of you on YouTube and I feel terrible. So I want to at least get you up to speed on what we're doing with this. Maybe there will be a little less content that we can piece together to make a quick video for you. Okay, so car was supposed to show up, but instead he's showing up and giving me a ride. This is the other E30 owner. What's up?
What's up, man?
How are you?
You're good.
All right, so we're gonna head over, pick up the car. Nice, what do you call these, a snowshoe or a?
The clown shoe.
Clown shoe, yeah. All right, so introduce yourself.
I'm Chris, the donor car guy, the drivetrain guy.
And you work at BMW of Seattle.
I do, a day a week now.
And so what specifically happened to your E30?
Well, you'll see in a second, but
yeah.
Got a Volkswagen Touareg over in Fremont, towing a big old boat. Wasn't looking, full speed ahead, right in the butt of my car.
Just rear-ended you.
Yeah, it pushes me into this Taurus in front of me.
So because of that, the frame damage is too extensive for you to want to repair it or anything.
Well, yeah, the rear quarter's buckled, and honestly, I would probably buy a donor car and try to get the whole swap going, but that's just not possible for me right now. R.I.P. Like the new chrome wheels falling out.
Not bad.
Way the hood opens. Wheels inside.
Oh yeah, we need to grab the tools. There she is. Alright, let's put some lug nuts on this thing.
Yep.